We came to New Orleans to do the Learning Skills for Life program because it is the land of the cocktail.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Simmons Edmond, and I am a part of the May 2025 cohort of Learning Skills for Life here at NOCHI. I found myself without a job.
I left healthcare after 34 years.
I had never given myself the time to actually learn about the history of spirits.
And I came across the Learning Skills for Life program, and I said, oh, bartending.
This opportunity came up, so I gave it a try.
That could be a really nice little side hustle for myself.
New Orleans Culinary Institute opened in 2020, and they did not have a beverage program. They focused on culinary, pastry, and we thought beverage and mixology was what was missing.
Learning Skills for Life, this school was so important to this city. This program, to me, just is unbelievable what it does.
And let me tell you something. The hospitality industry isn't just looking for workers. It's looking for leaders.
Thanks to Diago's support, we do this program for free.
Once I actually got into the program, it just felt like family.
It's opened up a whole different world that I never imagined.
The support from Diageo has been the icing on the cake.
We got this invitation to participate in a Diageo and Tanqueray cocktail competition. And I'm like, maybe I'll do it. I came up with a cocktail that I called the Green Book Glow. This is my face when I won. Very surprised, very floored, very proud of myself for just trying something new.
Diageo hung in there with us. And if they hadn't, it wouldn't be like this. This is a career that I've seen people have unbelievable lives in.
It was cool meeting a variety of people. All of us have different backgrounds.
I love talking to people. Once you get in the door at NOCHI, really, they're gonna give you the basics in spirits training.
I think we have about 200 graduating this year. That is a major impact on this city and this industry.
We now have 9 programs running across 9 cities, including the U.S. Virgin Islands. So the program has really expanded. So that's what we're here for, to celebrate life every day, everywhere, responsibly. And we've been doing that all weekend.